And welcome back. How many perspectives do you have on the actions that you take? Are you driven only by your body needs? Are you driven only by your mind and brain needs? Or are you driven as well by spiritual needs? Have you considered how often we base on only one of those aspects that guides us? Other body needs, health, good food, and those inputs that we take to really get our body in proper condition, training the body, doing the exercises, breathing and meditating, or doing yogas like hatha yoga for really stretch our body to really be in synchronicity of all our parts, or we identify with the actions that the brain or the mind guides us to perform, and only in that matter we see that we are performing those as our ego, and quite often we identify that only our ego was responsible for taking those actions, and quite often we try to split our whole identity with other identities, that it was this identity, that one identity, other identity. But have you already considered that all the actions that we take, they are as well consequence of what is happening in external world and what is happening in internal world? And this internal world guidance as well, based on spiritual aspect, on human aspect, but of the soul, of the heart, of the third eye. These are your elements that are the ultimate guides for you. So, is it worth splitting those aspects, or is it much better to merge them in what they were designed to be, holistic human being that consists of those aspects, but all those aspects are interconnected and they influence each other. They influence how much energy you have. If your body is properly nurtured, your brain works much better, and you have much more possibilities to reach your spiritual aspects in peaceful manner. Additionally, if your brain is in very good condition, is focused, and it can really focus this energy that you have, your body as well does not break this ideal situation and does not interact in bad manner with your brain focus. It helps to focus even more. Additionally, if your meditation level, if you are on certain spiritual level, you can as well influence those other aspects of you to just keep them in proper condition, to energize them properly, to redirect this energy that you collect to feed all your human body cells, to just refresh the brain, to just guide the brain for looking the proper answers, to just link to this aspect of the brain that it was designed to be. So this oneness with yourself is the beginning to just note or to just see that ultimately we are all interconnected. All those external factors, most of the time as well, they really are a projection of your internal matters, because what you see externally, how you perceive it, is fully being responded by your whole human being, quite often the brain, which most of the times picks the situation and really, basing on the previous situation, just concludes what is happening and already labels what is happening. So on your path to the oneness, it's worth seeing that all the actions that happen, all the actions that we take, they base on our holistic human beingness. It's not taken by just being parts of our human being. It's not only health, it's not only the brain and all those mental aspects of ourselves, but as well the spiritual guidance that really is in there. All of them are in there for you to discover your inner self, to then project your better inner self to how you perceive the world. So being one and seeing things from holistic point of view, taking actions and identifying with those actions from holistic point of view gives you much better experience, much better sense of what you really are creating, and encourages you to create even more, responsibly, and deliver everything that is needed on the responsible way. So just remember, take actions from the holistic perspective, and remember that you are oneness on primarily with yourself, but as well oneness with the world and oneness with your perception of the world. So grow to appreciate the beauty of the world. Grow for yourself and for all the ones that surround you. Not only the close relatives, but as well the extended world. Be there for you and for others. Let's experience the world in the most beautiful aspect that it has been created in. That's our path. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.